Hey guys, today I'm gonna introduce you a new AI tools. I think you may not be able to hear but this site is really awesome to create AI videos and generate some realistic videos. So when you will create the first account in it, you will see some credits. So for the first time you will get new 100 credits and then you have to buy it if you want to use more. So let's jump into it and review this site. So there are a bunch of options over here. You can make an AI video with this. This is a scratch formula, and then we can see the Gen AI or AI avatar MCP integration, which is included Cloud or ChatGPT. You can connect with those apps. Let's start with the start from scratch. So click here. So let's give it a name. My story is okay for me. Start creating. I will use Gen AI. So I have to give it a promote. So I will copy and paste from the ChatGPT, and then we don't need any negative promotes. So aspect ratio will be 9:16. Style, I will choose cartoonish because I'm trying to make a bedtime story type of video clip. So I will choose cartoon and then save it. So if I try to generate our first text to here I can see that is from text to image, but I want to make text to videos. So here you can go. So we can just paste it over here. So bedtime story, voice over scripts. So we can delete this. So we can choose different type of modules. It's a text to video modules. It will cost different type of credits. If we choose VEO, then it will cost maybe 177 credits, and it will provide you only 4-second video clips, and this is huge. So I will choose something like a little bit like maybe motion 2 first. I will go for it. It's a 5-second, but I will go to the 10 seconds maybe. So it will cost 52 credits. What if I choose motion 2 and then select it is almost 106. Is also very big credits. Grok, image to text to video. So I will choose every 10 seconds. So it will cost 55 credits. So I will choose this. And then the video resolution will be 720. Aspect ratio will be 9:16, and provider is okay. We can click it here, just generate it and see what the results comes out. So it's generating.
Hello, little one. It's time to get cozy, close your eyes, and listen to a magical bedtime story.
Once upon a time, in a peaceful green forest, there lived a tiny bunny named Lulu.
So you can continue with the story until you finish your story. You can make the script using help of ChatGPT. And this is how you can use the Videfy.ai. So I'll provide a link in the description of it. If you want to give it a try, you can try by pressing the link that I will provide in the description or comment. So I will see you in the next video, guys.